Okay, well this is it. The camp set up. I'm 15.3 k's away from Nichol's Knob in that direction. So now the drone is unflyable because I didn't do the firmware update, and now I've had to recalibrate it, and it won't let me do that without internet connections. Okay, all the wood ready to go for a barbecue, and the mighty beast that's going to fucking take me out there, because I'm not fucking walking. Alright, the road is somewhere over there. Yep, alright. Hopefully when we get out to Nichol's Knob, it'll be a quick ride back. Trying to suss out how to get through all this mulga shit, but I'll make it. Anyway, wish me luck. If I don't come back, you need to open up the iPad. The fire is lit. Now just got to get some coals together and start cooking dinner. Yep, the sun's just about gone down. It's all looking good. Ooh. GCG. For tonight's dinner, we're going to cook a nice piece of steak with some green shit, some special sauce, and oh yeah, the beer. Probably mix a bit of that in as well. The coals are just coming down nicely, and the sun's just about gone. Okay, frying pan's on, just nice and warm. That's the way. Probably a little bit hot, but not a problem. And ready for this delicious piece of steak. Shame the boss didn't throw some onions in, but still. There we go. Straight in the pan. Oh yeah. Let that sizzle. And we'll prep some green shit. Alright. Now, some South African gave me this knife for a rugby shirt. I don't know who got the better deal, but it's sharp. Looking good. And so's the knife. Yeah. Finally made it out to Nichol's Knob. And this is where it is. Hard going on the track. It's taken me roughly about 2.5 hours to get here. And there it is, Nichol's Knob. And the view, it's all good. One mob of camels, but they were right off in the distance. And a few red kangaroos is all I've seen. Alright, let's open up the cache. Well, I've opened up the cache container, and here it is. And there's a few logs written, people have written in the ammo box in regards to how they got out here and the track and how rough it was getting in. I gotta say, the last 2Ks over the spin effects was really bumpy. Anyway, time to swap out. Okay, here's the trade. Dropping off an old boy's 21-year-old Tawny Port and taking the top IQ. Also, there's my pass tag in the centre. I'll swap out for Shark Carver's tag. Alright, now to pack it all up, I'm going to make my way back to camp. Alright. Okay, finally back at camp. Just like to say thanks to Shane. I'll suck on this a little bit later when I get home, and just like to say thanks for the journey out to Nichol's Knob. What an epic journey, and I've got the good old Bush Shook green can to celebrate the return, and boy do I need it. Total 3 hours out there on the quad, 3 hours back, 6 hours all told. I spent half an hour at Nichols Knob just taking in the scenery. It was rough all the way and all the way back. Got to give hat off to you, Shane, for walking it. I think it was Aidan who rode in on a motorbike, and the first to find us, they drove in. It would have been an epic journey just to get there. So all three of you. Oh well, I can say cheers, and here's next to the next remotest. Thanks a lot. Boy did I need that. And I think the flies want it too. Alright, catch us all later. Sun's just about going down, so it's time to light the fire. We have fire, baby. Yep. And for tonight's dinner, alright, and we've got that's for breakfast really. Tonight we're going to have that's it, Wago sausages with eggs and a bit of green shit, flushed down with the old emu. And for breakfast it'll be bacon and eggs. So yep, and we're going to do some bun nuts in the boiler, alright, to go with the green shit. So all good. Yeah, and sunset's just about done. The flies are fucking terrible. Yep. Alright, and then off, pack up in the morning, head to Southern Cross on the Great Central, Geocache, pick that one up and then head for home. Okay, thanks.